Good morning all. This is Satish Kumar, Assistant Professor of EC Department. Now let us see the video lecture series on energy and power signals. Continuous and discrete time signal. A signal that is defined for every instant of time is known as continuous time signal. Continuous time signals are continuous in amplitude and continuous in time. It is denoted by x of t. Discrete time signal. A signal that is defined for discrete instant of time is known as discrete time signal. Discrete time signals are continuous in amplitude and discrete in time. It is also obtained by sampling a continuous time signal. It is denoted by x of n. This is the representation of continuous time signal and discrete time signal. Energy and power signal. A signal which has finite energy and zero average power. 0 less than energy signal less than infinite. Energy signal is equal to t tends to infinite integral over minus t2 plus t x of t the whole square into dt. In terms of discrete, energy n tends to infinite limit summation n is equal to minus n2 plus n x of n the whole square. Power signal. The signal which has finite average power and infinite energy. 0 less than power signal less than infinite. Power is equal to t tends to infinite limit 1 by 2t integral over minus t2 plus t x of t the whole square into dt. Power signal n tends to infinite limit 1 divided by 2n plus 1 summation n is equal to minus n2 plus n x of n the whole square. Prove that the power of an energy signal is 0 over infinite time. Power is equal to t tends to infinite 1 by 2t integral over minus t2 plus t x square of t into dt. T tends to infinite 1 by 2t. T tends to infinite 1 integral over minus t2 plus t x square of t into dt. Therefore, t tends to infinite limit 1 by 2t integral over minus infinite to plus infinite x square of t into dt. Therefore, t tends to infinite 1 divided by 2t into infinite. Instead of t, we can substitute 1 divided by 2 into 1 by infinite into energy signal, which is equal to 0. Power of an energy signal is 0 over infinite time. Next one, prove that the energy of the power signal is infinite over infinite time. Energy signal is equal to t tends to infinite minus t by t2 plus t by 2 x square of t into dt. Multiply and divide by t. Therefore, t tends to infinite t into 1 by t integral over minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 x square of t into dt. Therefore, we can t as common. T tends to infinite limit 1 by t into integral over minus t by 2 to plus t by 2 x square of t into dt. Therefore, t tends to infinite t into power signal. Instead of t, you can substitute infinite into power signal, which is equal to infinite. Energy of the power signal is infinite over infinite time. Energy signal x of t is equal to cos t. Energy signal is equal to t tends to infinite limit minus t2 plus t x of t the whole square into t dt. T tends to infinite integral over minus t2 plus t x cos t already given cos square of t into dt. Cos square of t is equal to 1 plus cos 2t by 2 into dt. Now we can 1 by 2 we can take it as common. T tends to infinite limit minus t2 plus t 1 into dt plus t tends to infinite limit integral over minus t2 plus t cos of 2t into dt. Integration of your full cosine wave, which is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 into t tends to infinite upper limit minus lower limit t of minus t plus t, we can get it as 2t. Instead of t, we can substitute as here 2 into infinite, which is equal to infinite. 1 by 2 into infinite, which is equal to energy signal is equal to infinite joules. Next one, x of t is equal to cos t. Power signal t tends to infinite limit 1 by 2t integral over minus t2 plus t x of t the whole square into dt. 1 by 2t integral over minus t2 plus t cos square of t into dt. Cos square of t is equal to 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2. Therefore, which is equal to 1 by 2, we can take it as common. T tends to infinite limit 1 by 2t integral over minus t2 plus t 1 into dt. Plus t tends to infinite 1 divided by 2t into integral over minus t 2t cos 2t into dt. Integration of a full cosine wave, which is equal to 0. 1 by 2 is equal to t tends to infinite limit 1 by 2t into 2t. 2t gets cancelled. We can get it as your power is equal to 1 by 2 watts. Next one, in terms of discrete time, we can going to see the energy and power signal. X of n is equal to e power j n pi by 2 plus n pi by 8. Energy signal is equal to summation n is minus infinite to plus infinite x of n the whole square. Therefore, we can get e power j means which is equal to 1. Therefore, n tends to infinite limit. Integral summation n is equal to minus n to plus n into 1. We can substitute n2 minus n1 plus 1. Therefore, n tends to infinite n plus 1, which is equal to 2n plus 1. Instead of n, we can substitute infinite. We can get it as the energy is equal to infinite joules. Power is equal to n tends to infinite limit 1 by 2n plus 1. Summation n is equal to minus n to plus n x of n the whole square. 1 by 2n plus 1, summation n is equal to minus n to plus n into 1. Therefore, n tends to infinite 1 by 2n plus 1 n minus of minus n plus 1. 1 n tends to infinite limit 1 by 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 gets cancelled. Power is equal to 1 watts. Next one, deterministic and random signal. A signal which can be completely represented by any mathematical equation is called as deterministic signal. Example, sinusoidal signal. Random signal, a signal which cannot be completely represented by any mathematical equation is called as random signal. Example, noise signal. Now we can see the assessment. Define energy signal. Total energy is finite and non-zero. Condition of the energy signal is 0 less than energy signal less than infinite. All the periodic signals are power signals. Compare energy and power signal. Energy signal is total energy is finite and non-zero. 0 less than energy signal less than infinite. Power signal, total normalized power is finite and non-zero. 0 less than power signal less than p less than infinite. All the periodic signals are power signals. All the non-periodic signals are energy signals. A signal which can be completely represented by any mathematical equation is called as deterministic signal. A power of the signal, energy signal is infinite over infinite time. Define random signal. A signal which cannot be completely represented by any mathematical equation is called as random signal. Example, noise signal. Thank you.